Hello, Denver. As we enter the new year, I want to let you know that it's an absolute honor to serve this great city as your mayor. There is really something to be said about the ingenuity of Denver's residents. Over the past year, we've shown that Denver's spirit and come together to grow our economy, support our kids, and make Denver a safe, vibrant city for so many to enjoy. We have a lot to be proud of. We're better supporting our small and large businesses, making Denver a hub for the ideas economy, and opening our doors to international markets. Our unemployment is down to 6.7%. We've grown jobs by 5,000, and we've brought 1,000 more businesses to Denver. Our parks also had a big year. We celebrated the 100th anniversary of the Mountain Parks. Civic Center Park was named a National Historic Landmark. And I'm proud to say we added 200 more acres of parks and protected our open spaces better by designating an additional 470 acres. We supported our kids in a big way this year by opening our rec centers free of charge to 90,000 school-age kids, giving them a safe place to stay active after school and during the summer months. In a city that is growing and changing every day, we also made some critical progress. We restored critical services lost during the recession, including hiring more officers to better protect and serve Denver's growing population. And we are strengthening the relationship between the community and our officers by making the discipline process more accountable. Through the leadership of our greatest asset, the city employees, we are making City Hall more efficient and effective, already saving taxpayers more than $2 million today. I am truly thankful to the amazing people that serve this great city every day. And of course, we can't forget Denver. We have taken major steps and made hard decisions, ensuring that we are a city that is connecting and competing on the international stage. And we are doing it the only way Denver knows how, with that genuine pioneering spirit that flows through this city. In the year ahead, we're going to move this mile-high city of ours forward by keeping our city strong and vibrant. Here's wishing you and yours happiness and prosperity as we turn the corner to 2014. Happy New Year, Denver, and go Broncos!